welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is speaking about Kris and the lady that came out um, in defense of Kazim against Kris. And, she's talking about a lot of things about Kris. And Dwayne is listening to that. And he has his few cents to say as well. He also went ahead to call out Tina and asking Tina to unblock him because he's right. Guys, go ahead and go catch the video to hear what really happened, why this lady came out to speak up against Kris, and what she has to say about him. Allegedly, she has a whole lot of things that she's saying. So, guys, you have to catch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays, happy, happy birthday. And I wish you prosperity and all your heart desires this year. For all my other lovelies, my friends, my followers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day today. Go ahead and catch your video.
Tina Chin, unblock me, girl. Unblock me. Tina Chin, unblock me, okay? This time, Dwayne has arrived. Dwayne has motherfucking arrived, TT. You hear me? And those phony made in China people, they can't perpetuate me ever again or even change my mind to see them in any other light but fake. Fake, made in China. Oh my god. Madge. I did tell those planks, I did tell you. I told all of you. So, you see, most of you don't realize there's way more to what meets your eye. Ask yourselves why they're trying to push me up, because they know they can't control me. I am uncontrollable. I'm what? Uncontrollable. Anyways, let me share my live stream. I'll be with you in a jiffy. I'll be with you in a jiffy. Bear with my girls. I'm coming, okay? I'm coming. In fact, Davi, come. Hello? Prayers is really working. Prayers is really working. I love God. Do you love God? I love God. Guys, I really do love God. God is an amazing entity, and God is opening up all of them like the worms they once claimed. God is not dead. He's alive. God is not dead. He's alive. God is not dead. He's alive. Oh, rock my soul. Oh, God, I felt that to my core. I felt that to my core. I see God have a way of revealing things to you when you least expect it. And here comes Kia today. Who told Kris for the trouble our friend? Someone I've known for a very long time, many years now, Kian. Right? Majesty don't realize. Majesty does not realize. Not everyone in this world is gonna like him. Right? And Majesty, anything you get here too, you deserve it. And shit, this is why I'm expatiating, or should I say, I'm sending it out there, because people need to know that you really are homeless. I did tell them that you was homeless a long time ago, right? I did also tell them that you no longer live in that penthouse that you was out here bragging and boasting about, right? Right, Majesty? I was wondering why was you not out putting out your camera outside your window looking at the Thames River like how you once did? Oh shit! Then I had an epiphany. Oh, him living in a warehouse, but shit, it's actually gone a little bit further. Them gone further. Hello, people. Anything you guys are gonna hear now is factual. Okay, anything you're about to hear now, it is factual. This is someone who's very close to the lovers, the husbands. Well, one of the husbands. And the husband is very close to her friend. So shit. Never knows the tour don't bust out. Did you guys not know the tour was gonna bust out? Before we go into this content, some girl called Cassandra. Cassandra, let me tell you something. I will always tell you, and I'll always tell social media, when I was very sexy and slim and sexy, Majesty wants to look me. So I don't know why you was over there making it seem like, oh, I looked him. Look what? Are you mad? I don't do drag queens. I don't do drag queens. And Majesty was just that. When he called himself Celeste, he was a draggy. I don't do drags. Sorry, Cassandra. I'm sorry to bash your baba, my girl. But Dwayne, I don't do drags, okay? So I don't know where you got your preconceived notion from. Please erase that from your chain of thoughts. Remove it. Because it is fake. It is not real. It's made up. Made up fabrication. Right? I don't do drag queens. You hear me? And Majesty was just that, a drag. So Cassandra, relax. Cassandra, relax. You're doing a little bit too much. Anyways, people, may set her backside. The people them exposed Tariano, Adoro Christie, a whole flipping lot. Jesus Christ. May say, I went and told her, it don't. And as soon as I said that, it went further. She go, may say, blood finger. Lord. I also did tell you that Christmas was out to living fake life, just like his sister. Fake life. Don't let them fool you. Don't. Even though Donna, Donna, you get a break. This time, I was planning to come out to a new Donna, but you get a break. I'm giving you a break. Hello, Don. I am giving you a break. This night, you deserve a break because we have something more bigger to dash out. Bigger. I'm gonna say bigger to dash out. And it's not you. Oh, it is your brother. Una sibling. Are they siblings? I'm just asking. Are they really siblings? Because you see, why is it that the siblings are being exposed to this so why are they being exposed like this? Like, you see, fake life is a hell of a thing. Fake life is a hell of a flipping thing. I swear to God. Jesus Christ God of my pastor, I beg. God of my pastor. Donna, my girl, your brother got disgraced to the lowest form. And Kazim, I'm glad they left you out of this contention. Because Kazim is a very nice person. From what I've seen, he's so humble, he's cool, he's calm, he's collected. And you never see Kazim out here in shit like his man, his old lover, right? Not that controversy is a bad thing, but I feel like in Chris's case, he's a businessman, right? He should be more focused on his business, but yet see he's always on social media, riled up in contention and shit. On our ear, why him out in a contention? On our ear. And whatever you hear, I don't care. Majesty, I don't like you. Majesty, I don't like you. And I will never like you again either. Even if my past life I kinda did like you. But I realized you was fake. I realized you was always fake. I did tell all of you that he did go to Donna because he wanted clout. I told you. I'm telling all of them something here. Right? But on if it's because he's at a curse for Donna. Hello? Not like I care. But shit. Me have to talk now. I have to talk. Anyways, without further ado, let's jump into Majesty expose. Yes, expose. Mighty God. Brace yourselves, you're about to hear some stuff. Royals, whatever you are, you're about to hear some stuff, right? Don't cry. Do not cry. Do not cry, okay, girls? Don't cry. Don't cry. Oh, and also before you know that girl Cassandra, I know you want to shit up, buddy. I know for a fact you was over there cursing me and cursing others because you want Majesty shit up dick. But you don't realize your pussy, it will never make his dick stand. Cassandra, do you hear me? Your pussy will never make his dick stand. Never. If a man blows in like this though, I bet you it will stand. But you on the other hand, if you do the same, it won't stand. You're wasting your time. Anyways, let's jump into Kris expose. Girls, my mods, be on the guard, because they're gonna come. Just have yourself a jolly good old time. Enjoy yourselves. Because this one, to miss this, is to flipping this. Majesty, you better be yourself because she has a lot more to say. She has a whole lot more to say. You hear me? Oh, why is it that the Confederates are not out here with this? Confederates, come out, play this one. Let's have it.
Now,
I
have no personal beef with Kris. Besides, years ago, when I was having my personal drama on Facebook, he pushed his fucking self, looking for sympathy, for views and likes. Right? She inserted herself and she told a lie. He told a lie on me, and he also lied about his situation because he wanted views, sympathy, and people to like him. But nevertheless, it worked a little bit in his favor. But the reason I did not address Kris all these years is because of Kazim.
Very nice, my girl.
Right? Kazim is Keon's best friend, not mine.
And it's true. And I know Keon. I know him. I actually do. Anyways, it is about to go down. Brace yourself, babies. Kris. The time I want to cuss people, you want to find one house. You want to find one house for living. The time you out about to report people, go find one house and come out of the shop. Come out of the shop. Come out of the shop. All right, come on. Mm-hmm.
But me and Kazim share a lovely relationship as fellow Trinidadians.
Yes, baby.
And friends of Keon.
You know, pause. I ain't saying nothing. Keon, my girl, I love you. Don't copyright, okay? Do not copyright. Don't copyright. Before we go any further, Keon, do not copyright. Because I don't want to fight you on copyright. Because, you know, I like you. You know, we was having a dialogue in that comments. Don't copyright. I'm going to play this out through its entirety. When I say A, B, or C, I ain't saying nothing. Nada. I just wanted to run and let them hear the facts about Kris. Alright, I'm chat to watch. Come here, girl.
And friends of the community.
Mm-hmm.
I respect Kazim. Me and Kazim never, nobody ain't perfect. Let me start there. Nobody, not Kazim, not Keon, not me, not that lying fucking fake hoe.
Kris McCall, fucking fake hoe.
But that's what you are. That is what you are. A lying fucking fake hoe. And I don't want to go down the road cussing because me come to cuss you and disrespect you. But I want to talk the things about you and the game you just play on social fucking media. And your whole life is a lie. And the reason I am not going to talk a lot of truths again is because of Kazim. Kazim saves Kris. I even have a text in my phone where Kazim is asking for Kia not to go live. Because he already cussed out Kris behind closed doors or whatever. But I feel like since Kris want to bring everybody name to social media, you understand, you have no respect for no fucking body.
And that's a fact.
Respect Kazim. You don't respect Kazim's mother. You don't respect nobody around you. All you want to do is put a fucking live video on everybody. You don't know when to take off a video because you just like attention. Not everybody that follows you like you. Are you that dumb still in 2025?
My God.
Are you still that dumb in 2025?
Sure, go in
that you can have 500,000 views. It's only 1,000 people fucking like you. So the next 490,000 just watching your business. All inside Kazim's mother house. Everywhere you go. You ain't telling somebody, clean up your place, fix your clothes, nothing. You just with a camera flashing. Your business not good in real life.
Now, wow.
And I don't want to go down that road.
She'll go in it. She'll go in it.
Keep silent with me. Because I will go down that fucking road with you.
She'll go down the road.
The reason I'm not going down that road, Kris.
She'll go down the road. She'll go in it.
You understand? Because you're doing fucking treat Kazim good. I'm not getting between man and woman or man and man. But you're doing treat.
Only hear what you say? Him don't treat Kazim good. Now it makes sense why Kazim is always so quiet around this man. Is it fair to say he's out here ill-treating that man because him no say Bumbleclot. The girls say, what time put out Kazim? Bumbleclot. Riot, only you know this? Say, imagine in love put out Kazim out of the house. On a soon year, blood clot, on a soon year, wait.
Fucking good. Because I just see Kazim stand up in that cake shop whole fucking day. Baking fucking cake. And you still want to act like you tired whole day on a fucking life. You don't have a cake shop to run?
On a soon year, baba.
It couldn't be me. When I was selling food, you see me on a live whole day. You have a cake shop to run the whole day on a fucking live. Because I only like attention and fucking views. And that's why you can't pay your bills.
Only
It's real. But I don't want to go down that road.
Pause. She said, Majesty can't pay his bills. How would that come from? Planks, how would that come from? Majesty is out to living fake life to the point where he cannot pay him damn bills. What a bumbo brush. Kazim friend, attack the things them. Kazim friend. Yes. Attack.
Let me keep it respectfully. But it's the truth.
My God.
You understand? Kazim, rub my foot. No, that your man. That not my man. I just call mines too. But everything you like to make about fucking you. And I believe you don't really like Kazim too much. Because the really followers like Kazim more than you. That's why you like to come and paint a bad fucking picture about Kazim.
Pause. And people, we know this is true. Nothing. Listen, I don't have no issues against Kazim. But let's call a speed a speed. Enough that we in Panim live stream say them always give Kazim things and they're not giving him things too. So we know, say, by her saying this, there is a bit of jealousy factor in play. And we know, say, also the people them they do gravitate to Kazim more than they gravitate to him, to the point where I want to give our Kazim her credit card info. I'm telling you, him come cuss and do a one heap of things. I don't know if you guys remember when one of them, what are we going him again? The girl gave Kazim her credit card info and it burned him and come kick up Rumpus that day. So in reality, we can see now by her saying this, it makes sense now why. Listen, him envy Kazim. Is it because Kazim is younger than him? Is it because Kazim is sexier than him? Is it because, is it because women, Kazim is not as woman, is not as girly as he is. So the women are more going to gravitate to Kazim than him because, I'm a dancer. Yeah, girl. Women like men. And Kazim gave off that vibe, a man. Right? So, it makes sense now, him really end because he does. People, hello? That damn Kris is wicked. And come back, is this that? Why would she don't another one? She don't another one. Come here.